Hi, this is India with Bags and Lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning. If you're new, thank you so much for trying my channel out. I typically love videos covering handbags, which can be usually with a pre-owned twist to it, but I throw in some new unboxings and things like that into the mix as well as lifestyle topics, which can cover product reviews, unboxings, opinion related topics, how-tos, all of those things. So if you're interested, definitely consider subscribing. Also, watch a couple of videos and come on back. You don't have to feel like you have to subscribe right away, but definitely come back for another video. And as always, if you're enjoying the content, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. So today will be an unboxing of a London-based, I was going to say product designer. London-based designer. It is a female, Black-owned designer that I actually heard about through Simply Kura, which you should see her name coming down here below. Her channel is a lot larger than mine, so I'm pretty sure if you're seeing my video, you've seen her channel too. But if not, definitely check her out. But I found out about this website or this designer through her talking about it on her channel. Order the top, so I'm gonna unbag it now. I'm super excited, so I gotta get this in because you know how it goes when you order stuff. You gotta, let me grab it off the floor. You know how it goes when you order stuff. You need to look at it right away. So I gotta hurry up and get this filmed, even though it's dark outside, so I can make sure that I want to keep it pretty much. Okay, so it comes in a bag like this, and it was just folded over. It does say the Kemist right here, if you can see that, hopefully so. And the Kemist is not spelled like chemistry. I will throw a link down to the website in the description, so definitely check out her website. Let's support female designers. Let's support minority designers, especially when they have really good products. So her designs are really cool. So, oh, cool. So this is what it comes with. This is the first time, if I have not said that. So this is how you spell the name of the brand. And, oh, cool. So consistent with the packaging and branding. That's nice. So same type of print on the bag. And this is basically my receipt. And has the year. Okay, cool. 2022. And on the back side, it just says thank you. And she actually has a spot writing my full name out. Not just my first name. So that's nice that it's handwritten and it just says, thank you for purchasing this unique piece that we hope becomes a statement in your wardrobe. Join our family and other queens, spelled with a K, by using the hashtag #KemistQueen. So that's cool. That's really nice. Nice packaging. Go Kemist. Oh, this is how it comes. Kemist, you are doing some packaging. Good job, girl. Good job. Look at that. And then they got stickers. So there's a sticker here that basically is like the the diamond pattern. It has TK, which you see this branding on the website. And then there's two other stickers on the back, which is the way that it was folded. It's securing the tissue paper closed. So let me unwrap this puppy. This is a cute ribbon. I'm going to have to figure out what to do with that. Does anybody else feel bad when you rip apart beautiful packaging? You want to keep it intact. And I am never good at that. Never good at that. Let me know if you are. Give me some tips, because let me show you what I've told. Child, I done tore this thing up. Look at this. Holes everywhere. It's not cute at all, honey child. At all. So, let's get that on the floor. So this is the item. It has the logo here as well. Oh, that looked weird. Sorry about that if it looks ghostly. It's a sweatshirt. So by now, I'm going to pop up a photo so you can see what it looks like. Really cute. Ooh, feels nice. I wish they had, did they have the pants? I don't remember. I did consider getting pants, but I didn't want them in white. I wanted them in black. And the pants were kind of cool, but for some reason I didn't order the pants, and I'm not quite sure why, but this feels Like the fabric feels amazing. Hope it's washing it out because obviously it's white and then I have my lights on. But it has the logo here that is stitched in. The fabric feels great. Fabric feels great. So you should have seen a couple of photos by now, so that way I'm not trying this on for you. I'm not ready for that. But you can see what it's supposed to look like. So I'm going to pull this in so you can see the details here. So you see the tag. And here's the tag of it as well. Here's the website too. But the link will be down below. So beautiful packaging. It has the zippers on the back. I'm seriously not exaggerating. This sweater feels really great. Really good material. Her items are in UK sizing, so keep that in mind. I live in the US, so I had to like look at the conversion table and figure out. Also, with the sizing that she had, it was a little different. So it wasn't like there was an in between, I guess is what I would say. Like, so for example, if there was if a top was a 6'8", she didn't have like 6'8" and then 8'10". It was 6 to 8 and then 10 to 12, which I thought there should have been something in the middle. I haven't tried this on yet, so I'll have to give you an update once I try it on. I'm sweaty from the gym, so it will not be tried on at least until I take a shower. And it may not be tried on until tomorrow. But really good quality. Like, I'm just inspecting it. Looks good. Looks good. I'm not doing like a full, very detailed inspection, but it feels like a scuba kind of material. Thick, soft, but feels like it'll definitely cover you up. And I like this style because when you saw the photos that I put up, you can wear it different ways. So I can wear it with the sleeves and, for cooler temperatures. And then also in the summertime, I can tie it coolly in the back. I'm not sure what photos I'm going to put up at this point because I'm just recording it, but I'll try to throw up a photo of that so you can see it. And you can tie the sleeves around the back side of you, and it becomes then like all your shoulders out, which is really cool. So it looks amazing. I'm hoping that I can accomplish the same thing. You know how it is when you like buy something and it looks good on the model, and then you try to attempt the same thing and it's like, no girl, stop. So usually for me it's a no girl, stop. So I'm hoping that this works out and I can accomplish it. But I'm smaller on the top, so I was a little bit concerned about the sizing, but because they didn't have that middle size like I gave the example, I feel like that would have been perfect for me. Not the 6 to 8, but just as example, the sizing that I needed, I feel like it should have been that middle one that I wanted, and they didn't have that. So we will see how it goes, but this is the back side. Very pretty. Let me just get up close so you can see the zipper there that goes along the side. I'm looking at the zipper. You can't even see anything. Sorry. You're like, what zipper are you showing me? So it's a zipper along the front side like this. I feel like when I unzip this sucker, I'm not going to remember how to get it back closed. So, girl, we going to see. This is a little bit high tech for me. And then the zipper goes along the back too. So this is going to be super cool. I'm excited to wear it, and I will give you an update. So by the time you see this video, I will have tried it on and we'll give you an update. So you will see that before I end the video out. Top is a little bit big on me, but overall it works. I do record an unboxing in the top, so I will link that video below if you want to see a live view of me in it. Thanks for watching.